Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The video explains how to download apps on an HP laptop using the built-in Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu from the bottom left corner of the screen and search for Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is described as the official Windows app marketplace where users can safely download apps and games. Some applications are free, while premium apps may require payment before installation. After opening the Microsoft Store, users can browse apps from the homepage or use the search bar to find a specific app. The tutorial uses CapCut as an example by typing its name into the search box. To install an app, click on the app listing and press the Install or Get button. Windows automatically downloads and installs the application, though installation time depends on internet speed. Once installed, users can open the app by searching for it again in the Start menu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.